everybody, so I'm back with part 2. When the video's done rendering, this one took a little longer. Apparently they had a bunch of people rendering at the same time. There was an issue, so I messaged support and they did something and it ended up working. Well, here it is. So now it's done. You come down here, see where I got the mouse finger? Click download, and then just click where it says MP4 or the settings that you chose. If you chose different settings, click MP4 and then it'll download. And once it's done downloading, then you can put it to your wherever you want to put it. It's that easy. All right. Thanks for watching.